Welcome to my studio! Today we're gonna review about animal sounds, body size, and colors. The first one is cow. The color is black and white color, and this one is brown sometimes, and then the body is big, and then the sound is moo. The next one is the monkey. The body is medium, the color is brown, and then the sound is ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I want some banana. I want to buy in a shop and then get some bananas, get 1,000 banana. Okay. The next one is the fish. Nemo's color is orange body, and then stripes white, and then the color dory is blue, and then the body is oval, and then the sound is maybe like this. Yes, swim together like this. And they dance together. Okay. The next one is the frog. He's holding a heart. The frog color is orange, same as this. And then the hands, and then he's holding a heart. Look at this.
Why?
Because he's love you. And then the sound like this. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Goodbye. The next one is the ducks. This is the mommy duck and the baby duck. Mommy duck's color body is yellow, same like the baby one. The body, the mommy duck body is big and the baby duck is small. And then the sound is quack, 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 quack. Yes. Yes. Like this. Hi, my name is Mommy Duck, and I'm gonna be your mommy. Oh yeah. The next one is the cat. The first cat is sleeping. The body is cream color, and then the hair is brown, also the tail like this, and then she's so sleeping. We're going to place right there because she's so sleeping. The next one, this is Kitty. This is have yellow color, and then the body is stand up like this, or maybe sit down like that. And then the whiskers is pink, and then that whiskers is brown. See this? This one has 3 and this one has 2. She's so happy. The sounds is meow, meow, meow. The Cathy says, I'm going to sleep because she's so sleepy. Good night. Turn off the lights. And then let's sleep. Good night. Because they're sleeping, because they turn off the lights. Because Cathy turned off the lights. Like that. Say good night. Say good night. Good night. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Let's turn on the lights. Ding. Ah, yay! Come on, Cat. Come on, Cat. Let's go. Come on, Kitty. Let's go. Okay. Bang, 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 bang. Oh no, the electric! Ah! The electric is gonna be turned off. No, the electric. Don't be dark. I don't want to turn off the lights. I don't want to turn off the lights because I want to fix my house. I'm going to turn off the lights and then. Okay, I hope you're gonna go do like this. Come on, let's go. Okay. Yes. Okay. I hope it works. Yay! It works! Yay! Come on, let's sleep. Let's turn off the lights. Then let's turn off the lights.
Okay.
Yes. Then. And now let's sleep. Ooh. The next one is the camel. The color is brown. And then the body has a hump. And you can ride it just like the horse. Like this. Oh no, I forgot to turn off the lights. Let's turn off the lights. What? Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go. Then. Yes. Okay, we're here. And everybody is sleeping. So I'm going to sleep like that. Good night. Good night. Good night, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Let's go home. Ah, perfect. The lights is turned on. So let's go walk and go explore. Boom. Wait, see you on the next part. Bye.